A very good morning to all my dear lovely students. Welcome you all to yet another class of lesson number 9, The Foolish Fish. So my dear students, I hope you all are fit and fine. So do you remember what we have done in our last class? Can anyone tell me? So in our last class, we have started the lesson number 9, but we have not touched anything from the lesson. Yes, we have started a beautiful poem. We have learned about a beautiful poem, and also we found from there many other rhyming words, right? So yesterday's in our studies class we have done the rhyming words. Yes, you have learned what are the rhyming words. So my dear students, in our today's class, today we will be learning about lesson number 9, where we will be covering the reading section. Okay, so before that, let's do a quick recap of what we have done yesterday in our previous class. So my dear students, yesterday we have learned about a word cloud. Yes, from the poem The Little Daisy. Am I right? So in there we have come across the rhyming words like daisy, lazy, sun, done, honey, money, seeds, reeds. Can you remember that? Yes. So rhyming words are the words that ends with the, if I have to say, few letters which are very similar, and also it sounds the same, right? Like in here, as I have said, daisy, lazy, it sounds same, but sometimes you can find that the last letters are similar. Like if I have to give one more example, seeds, reeds. Yes, in here we came across the same letters which ends. Yes, so my dear students, as I told, let's start our new class and the new objective that we are going to get from today's class. So today's objective of lesson number 9, The Foolish Fish, is to read aloud with proper pronunciation and modulation. Okay, so we'll be starting with the reading portion. So yes, my dear students, please take out page number 3 of The Foolish Fish, and you all know the rule of reading. So what you have to do, you have to point your finger while I'll be reading, and you have to repeat after me, right? Okay, so let's start. The Foolish Fish. Dear mother, said a little fish, is that a worm I see? I'm very hungry, and I wish you had get the worm for me. Sweet fish, the mother cried, and started from her corner. That worm you see is there to hide the sharpness of a hook. As I have heard, the little trout was young and foolish too, and presently he still went out to learn what might be true. Around about the worm he played and gave it a hard long look. And dear me, to himself he said, I'm sure there is no hook. I think I'll give one little bite. And that was what he did. And thus he died, that little fish, by not doing as he was told. Got it? So my dear students, as I told, the objective of today's class is to read aloud with proper pronunciation, modulation and pace. Yes, you need to learn where you need to give stress, which word you have to read aloud. Yes, so my dear students, this is the reading portion that we have covered from our today's lesson, The Foolish Fish. Yes, so what you have to do at your home, you need to read the poem very nicely. Okay, thoroughly you have to read the poem, and not together, stanza by stanza. Yes, and then we will start with the explanation of the poem. So my dear students, in our previous class I asked you to do a homework. The homework was that you need to find out the rhyming words from the poem. Yes, I hope you have done that. So what you are going to do, today's homework is you need to frame sentences with the new words that we are going to find out now. Okay, so let's check out which are the new words that we came across while reading the poem. So the first new word that we came across is started. Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the spelling of started? Number 1, S-T-R-A-T-E-D. Started. Yes, number 2 is trout, T-R-O-U-T, trout. Yes, number 3 is here presently, P-R-E-S-E-N-T-L-Y. And the last fourth number word is here hook, H-O-O-K, hook. Got it? So what you have to do? You have to find out the meaning of the words that I have given. But before that, I want to ask you all now. Okay, so my question is, what are the main things or points that you need to remember while reading a poem? Can anyone tell me? At the beginning itself, I told everyone. Yes? So my dear students, you have to give the answer of that too. Yes, what are the things or points that you need to keep in your mind while reading a story or a poem? Got it? Okay, so my dear students, that's all for today. So we have covered the reading section of our today's lesson number 9. In our next class, we will be doing the explanation of lesson number 9. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.